Welcome back to George Co Garage. We're glad to have you with us. Today we're going to talk about the Garmin Catalyst Cage Mount. Please check our other videos for unboxing the Garmin Catalyst and getting it set up, as well as installing a protective screen. So what's in the box? Let's open it up and find out. Well, now that we have the mount and the backing attached, you can start to see how this is going to go together. You slide the device in from the side. These two pieces catch. The one thing that we like about this mount a lot is the fact that you've got multiple points for tethers. When it's together like this, it's not coming out. You're not going to open that. It's not coming out of the car. Which is great as long as you want to leave it in the car. Now, if you want to bring it out between track sessions or to talk to a student or just to review it with a coach or someone, you are going to have to just release the ball joint. And that's really not that, significant. You'll just, release it and pull it out, take it with you. Even, it works as a stand. So perhaps you don't actually need to run it with this secondary piece on, in which case you could pull it out because it would still have this catch. So it's still very secure. You have to pull this back in order to pull it out, which is hard. So I think if you're doing a HPDE, this would certainly provide a secure way to fix it, give you the opportunity then to tether it, but still have the ability to pull it out from the car. Well, so there you have it. There is the cage mount. As always, questions, comments below. And if you're looking for a cage mount, we have them currently in stock in the store. Thanks, and see you at the track.